Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add voiceover to Instagram Reels. So first of all, tap on this plus icon and select Reel, and I'm gonna uploading a photo from my gallery. Now click on add, click on next, and click on this music icon. Tap on voiceover. Now tap and hold to record audio over the video, and once you finished your voiceover, tap on done, and you can tap on sound effects to add sound effect to your voiceover. Tap on done to the right hand corner, and now you will be able to post your voiceover reel. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.